Hi friends, this is Muhammad Imran and welcome to our Python tutorials. In this video, we'll be learning about some of the if and else statements. So for that, first of all, let me have a variable say which is equal to 8 or 90. Okay, so now we'll write a program which checks the user's age. If the age is greater than 18, so it will return that the user is eligible for voting, and if it is less than 18, then he will not be eligible for voting. So for that, you just need to write the if statement, and you have to say if age is greater than 18 and then give a colon, and then you need to write print whatever you want to print. Say you can vote. So if the age is greater than 18, the user can vote. So if he is less than 18, so what we should do, we should again print him something which says print you can't vote. So let us try to execute this. Just right. So just run this. You can vote because the age is. Sorry guys, got a call, so I have to pause the video, and I lost the track. Where was I? So let me just start from the beginning. I've defined a variable as age, whose value is equal to, and I'm checking if the age is above 18. If the age is above 18, then I will print that the user can vote, and if the age is not greater than 18, then I will say you can't vote. So if I run this, it says you can vote because the age is 19. So if I make it 15 and I run this again, it says you can't vote, right? So this is how you can check the conditions. You can implement the conditions. Or suppose if you want to give some name, suppose you are creating a site where you have where you want to give particular messages to specific people. So suppose you have a user with the name Bob. So if the name equals Bob, then you want to display a particular message. So what that will be, that will be will print that, hey Bob. Okay, this is giving some errors. This should be like this. If the name is Bob, then we would like to print hey Bob. Else we'll say please register. So now if the name is Bob, then we are going to say hey Bob, otherwise we'll say him to please register. And the name has the value Bob, that's the reason he's saying hey Bob. Suppose if I change his name to Sean, then we'll say please register because his name is not Bob. Suppose what if you want to check for multiple names, so how you can do that? So for that, you need to do something which is similar to else if in C++ language. So here you can say else if name is, here you can give any other name which you want to give. So we'll say print welcome, right? So now like this, and I close it over here. Done. So now if you run this, since the name is Sean, he is printing out this message. first of all he checked this name with this string. He checked if the name is equal to or has the value Bob. Since it is not, he's not going into this block and not printing this, and he's again checking if the name is Sean, and since the name is Sean, so that's the reason he is printing this statement. Suppose if the name is does not belongs to this block or this blocks, then what happens? Let me just change the name and show you. So if it is David, let us see what happens. It says please register, because we are checking for Bob and Sean, but nothing is for David. So whatever you keep beside Bob, it will be coming to this block and it will be getting printed. So this was it for this video. Hope you liked it.